So it's that time of the night where we turn things over to the schools. Here is the only Manchester based school left in the competition. Bishop Gibson has taken the stage. Please put your hands together and welcome them. Here is their Beat It medley.
Isn't it nice to be in the top three? Yeah, man, wicked. Good. I loved it, especially the beginning. The beat it, especially that part of it was really good. I kind of lost the melody in the Ray Charles one, and the ending kind of fell apart for me. I don't know, maybe that's what you meant, but the beat it was great, and I love the way you guys looked. I'm happy that you're here.
Yeah. Bishop, congratulations. Of course, I'm not surprised that you're in the finals. And what I like about you, despite losing your ace music director in the middle of the season, you still persevered and you're now in the finals. You did well tonight. The only thing I missed was the gloves that you should have been wearing.
When I heard the introduction for Beat It, I said, boy, this is very ambitious. But Bishop Gibson, you just have proved yourself every single time that you can do it. And that beat, it was amazing. And I loved it, especially that progression. You put in a different progression there. You know where I'm talking about. Um, I lost a little bit of the melody in Hit the Road Jack. It was, but this was a winning number. And trust me, whatever results say, you are a winning choir.